Alright guys, this is gonna be intense. We got Burst Spriggan taking on Blizzard Thrasher. It's gonna be intense. So Blizzard Thrasher versus Burst Spriggan. So we're gonna see how this goes. Alright. Here we go. Alright, boom. Blizzard break. Burst up. Alright, there we go. Oh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. And Burst Spriggan takes it. Alright, that's one. Blizzard break. Burst upper. Come on, Burst. Alright, ooh, big hit. Ooh, big hit getting sent back. Uh-oh. Two wonderful, powerful GT bays here, and Burst Spriggan takes it again. Alright, that's two. Alright, boom. And oh. There you go. Oh, ooh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. And Blizzard takes it. Alright, that's 2-1. Alright. Boom. And ooh, big hit. Oh, big hit. Big hit on Burst Spriggan, and Blizzard takes it again, bro. Blizzard takes it, and Kembo is texting me. Yay, bro. Alright, that is 2-2. Alright. Boom. And boom. There you go. Oh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. Oh, shoot, that's a big hit. But Blizzard Thrasher still takes it. Alright, that is 3-2. Alright. Boom. Blizzard break. I'm actually going to switch Spriggan into its attack mode. And oh, big hit. Ooh, big hit. It's 3-2. Blizzard's in the lead. And Blizzard takes it. That is 4-2. So can Burst Spriggan get the 42 to come back and win it? We're going to see. Alright, boom. And that was not a good launch. Alright, boom. Alright, there we go. Alright, big hit. And just because I left it in the stadium, Burst Spriggan takes it. Alright, that's 4-3. Alright, boom. Blizzard break. Burst upper. Alright, ooh, big hit. Big hit. Big hit. And oh, sweet. Yo. It bursted Blizzard Thrasher, bro. Dude, I think that's the first time that I ever see Blizzard Thrasher burst. Bro, it bursted Blizzard even with the metal burst stopper. Dude, I don't know what will. I think this is the first time that I ever seen Blizzard Thrasher burst, but like, I don't know what will, bro. That's just insane. Well, for sure you already know Burst Spriggan definitely won this. It was intense as freak. Dang, bro. Blizzard Thrasher bursted it. Dang, that's crazy. I think that's the first time I ever see Blizzard burst. Honestly. But it shows the power of Burst Spriggan, and I don't know what will, bro. But anyways, Burst Spriggan takes the win over Blizzard Thrasher. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash subscribe down below. Let me share, subscribe, some epic content, because I will make sure ring that bell. Alright, crap, so like that video. Last time it is your boy Kimbo signing off. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm saying some shoot. But here.